Channel recap for 2021. We're going to go over the statistics, the analytics, and the monetization. This channel is growing. I owe it all to y'all. I think it's only fair to go over the growth and revenue of this channel that was made in 2021. I'll explain the money and everything at the end. When we go over the money, you'll understand why I'm still working 2 jobs and why I haven't been able to post as much on here, because a lot of things in life have been going on. The money aside, I believe that this channel will do good. We're doing good things for everybody. I still believe in the reason why I made the channel. That's to help everybody out. And also stay at the end of the video after I get done talking about the money, and we'll go over the projects that I'm working on now and what you should be able to expect soon. In 2021, my videos have gotten 5,525 views, 187.8 watch hours, and we have gained 66 subscribers over the past year. As you can see for the views, it may not seem like a lot, but when you compare it to the year prior, we're up 385%. Watch hours, we are up 276%. And the subscribers are up 500%. That's a good positive growth. I believe I'm thankful for every single one of y'all, every single view, every single watch hour. Impressions. Impression is how many times people have seen my thumbnail, or my thumbnail has been in front of X amount of people, and that number is a little over 57,000 people, which is up 483% from the impression click-through rate. That means that 6.8 people out of every 100 that's clicked it, which is up 3%. Right here, we already went over watch hours, but right here, the view duration is 2 minutes and 2 seconds, which a lot of that has to do with the fact that some of my videos are only just a few minutes long. And I think I have another reason as to why the view duration is a little lower, but it's down 23%, which when you look at it that way, it looks bad. But then when you actually look at each individual video, the view duration on each video is above 50%, which is still good. When it comes to subscribers, 87.2% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. And here's one of the reasons why I think my view duration is down, because Saudi Arabia and Iraq, it's actually viewed my videos enough to actually make an impression. And only 68.4% of my views come from the United States, which my videos are geared more to people that live in Mississippi, so that would explain some of it. Here's the age and gender of my viewers. The age I can kind of see, that fits about right. The male and female ratio I think will probably stay the same. Alright, when it comes to money, go ahead and tell you I have made absolutely $0 from YouTube. I am not part of the YouTube Partner Program, which means I'd have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period, and no violations on my account. But what I have done is around November, I've become an affiliate with Amazon like most YouTube creators do. And so far as being a part of them, I've made $2.49. That's all I've made. Through my links, there was $82.96 sold, which earned me $2.49. The Amazon affiliate, the commission ranges from 1% to 5%. Almost all your creators will have some type of affiliate links that should be notated in the description or wherever their links are, that they're affiliate links. That just means that if you click my link and go to wherever it sends you, I get a small commission to send you there. It doesn't cost you anything extra. So that would explain why I'm still working 2 jobs. I'm not doing this channel to replace my full-time income, but I would like to make enough to stop my part-time job so I can focus more on the videos and the content and interacting with y'all. But when you break it down, the videos that I have posted, there's about 80 videos posted, maybe a little more by the time this one gets posted. And out of all that work, I've only made $2.50. Not saying that that's a bad thing or a good thing, but what you don't see is the amount of hours that go into this. I know my videos aren't the best videos out. I'm working on improving them and being more forward and trying to be myself, but just sitting in a room by yourself looking at a camera and talking to people that are not in the room is still very strange. Even after the 80 videos that I have posted, I have deleted several videos because I just didn't like the way they turned out, just don't like the sound or the way I look, not looking into the camera, which I don't do on a lot of videos, and I apologize for that. I'm working on it, trying to get better to relay better information to you. Okay, since you've made it this far, you deserve to know my current plans for the channel. I know I haven't posted anything but my big project on Learner's Permanent book and test. Turned out what I thought would be max of 2 weeks of work has turned into way more. The video started out with over 3 hours of video, and I've currently got it down to a little over 2.5 hours. Still working on it. There's a lot more work left to do. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to work on that one. I'm also going to do other videos, including this one. This one will be out way before that one. I'm going to work on some house bills that I think will be important to y'all, and I'm going to work on the different types of disturbance. We're only in January, but as you know, it will soon be time for hurricane season, and I'm posting it now because I will be linking stuff for hurricane preparedness in the description of this video. Now that the supply chains of food and water and other supplies are already thin, so start working on getting your water and other supplies now. I picked these two first aid kits because they're more trauma oriented and not just your basic band-aids and hand gloves and Tylenol, because when you're into hurricane situation, chances are there's going to be more trauma than there is a headache. Information is also important during any type of hurricane or bad weather. That's why this radio here has 5 power sources, 2 lights, AM, FM, weather band radios, SOS alarm. It has over 22,000 reviews currently on Amazon. Also during hurricanes, the power's always out throughout the night, or it hits at night. That's why there's this 4-pack of lanterns that have an internal battery that can be charged either by solar panel on top of them or by USB cord that's included, or you can put 3 AA batteries in the bottom of them to work the lights. This is a 4-pack. Also, collapsible water jugs. Always important to have extra water during bad times, bad weathers, hurricanes. Water's always important. Don't wait on other people to bring you food. Prepare ahead of time. Here is a 30-day emergency food kit with at least 1,800 calories a day for 30 days for one person. It'd be something interesting to look into. And here is a National Geographic Extreme Weather Survival Guide, which is more than just hurricanes. It's got other natural disasters to help prepare you. All the links to these will be in the bottom. I'll do another video soon on just hurricane preparedness. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.